Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back at home, man, in the land of grills. Yeah, you're looking at it. We're going to talk about how to get more smoke out of your pellet grill today, folks. I'll tell you what, I'm going to show you some options, and then we're actually going to install a smoke generator. A smoke generator, you say? Yes, there's such a thing. We're going to put it on this Walmart Expert Grill, $199 pellet grill. I'll tell you what, it's going to be awesome. All right, so when it comes to making smoke on pellet grills, a lot of people recognize this. It's an amazing tube, and you put pellets in there, and you light it. You lay it down, and you wait for it to go. The flames go out, and it smolders. And these things do actually a pretty nice job. Now, there's other variations. You're looking at one of them. It's actually a stainless steel basket where you fill this whole thing up and light one side, and then it burns around. Or if you have a smaller cook, you turn it like this and put it in there and do it like that. It's really a cool idea. But what we're talking about today is a smoke generator. Now, this right down there, that's a smoke generator where we've got an outside source. We're not putting our smoke or anything inside the grill. We're on the outside of the grill. And this is a product called, it's a smoke generator made by Smoke Daddy Inc. Folks, I'll leave the link down below. This thing it produces a lot of smoke. And all it works with is one charcoal briquette on the bottom that you light, and then you can put pellets in there, and you can put wood chunks in there. And you're looking at the blue thing there, and that you're saying, hey, I remember I had an aquarium as a kid. That's like an air pump. That's exactly what that is. That's an air pump for an aquarium that then pumps the smoke into your pellet grill. And this is really good if you're going to be cold smoking, or if you want to put a little smoke. Oh, look at that. I got some chuck ice steaks. I'm just getting a little smoke for about maybe 30 minutes on there, fresh out of the fridge. And we're just going to smoke it a little bit, so I have a little smoke on there. But I'll tell you what, let's take a look at how the whole Smoke Daddy smoke generator thing works, and show you how to install it, and so you can avoid your warranty too, and then keep on going. All right, folks, if you want to know, I'll leave the link down below, but SmokeDaddyInc.com, and there it is, 8-inch cold smoke generator. It's pretty awesome. 99 bucks, and depending upon what you all need, and then, like I said, they got a big green adapter. You can put this thing on a lot of stuff, and I have put this on a lot of different grills over the years. It's just cool. It's just really cool. So let's keep on going. Take another look at it. All right, getting ready to drill. I don't have it at 1 inch for some reason, but I got an 1.25 inch hole saw bimetal. I'm gonna start on the outside. And on the inside, I've braced it. I got a piece of scrap plywood with 2 other springboard type pieces of plywood just to hold everything in place, and also keep the metal from bending as I drill through. And then I'm going to take and position the pellet grill and put it against the wall, so I'm pushing against that wall, so everything drills real nice. So give you a look, see once the hole's drilled. All right, the 1.25 inch holes, I avoided the warranty again, and I did spray a little bit of Rust-Oleum just on the bare surface. Obviously, we want to protect our $199 investment here, and we'll keep on going. All right, so just so you can see when we're not using it, I've got 1.25 inch stainless steel fender washers, a screw through the front backside, or the front side, whatever you want to call it, and then just wing nut on the other side, and that'll hold it in place while you're not using it. All right, let's take a closer look at it. A lot of people don't know about this, and that's why I want to really focus on this, because really, if you're serious about making some smoke or cold smoking, this is the way to go. So you've got this aluminum tube here. By the way, this is made in America, USA made. And they've got a screen, a stainless steel screen down there, which is removable. You put 1 lump of charcoal in there, like Kingsford, a briquette, and then you've got a bottom that's got some air holes in it, and that goes just like that. And then you tighten this down to hold that in place. It's like a mini little grill on the outside of your grill. And this whole thing attaches, and you've got an air hose that goes on this right here. Goes on like that. You got the top, obviously, that goes on. There's a little spring in there, and this spring is just to keep the air flow going up. And then what happens, you see that tube in there. So your little fish pump, air pump for an aquarium, is pumping air into this tube right here. The smoke's coming up, and it's getting trapped by the top here, and then it blows it into your grill. It's an ingenious idea. I tell you, I'm really impressed with it. Let's get it on the grill, and obviously we're going to fire it up and take a look at it. All right, easy enough to install. It's just a threaded connection, 2 big washers. That comes with the whole kit, and there it is. It's installed. I actually put 1 piece of charcoal down there. We're going to roll this out, get that fired up, and just you can see there's our there's our little aquarium pump motor. That's what's going to drive and push that smoke into a pellet grill. So let's get it fired up. All right, you can see the smoke's rolling. We got our charcoal lit, and what you can't see is it's starting to ash over on the top, meaning it's working its way from the bottom over. And that means we're ready to get it going. Now this aluminum tube does get warm, so I usually try and place my air tube so it's not touching it. You can see I've got the bottom on, and it is vented. That'll keep it going. And I'm just gonna put some pellets in there, and put the top on, turn the fan on, see what happens. All right, and any doubt that it works? Look at that. I mean, that's a lot of smoke. And the great thing about it is because you're using charcoal and you're on the outside and you're actually pumping it inside, the heat stays pretty much outside, and you're getting smoke in here. And I'll tell you what, you're getting a lot of smoke in here. Smoke that ink, folks. Tell you what, if you're serious about smoke or about cold smoking like cheese or something like that, this is gonna give you more smoke than an Amazing tube or any other tube that's out there. This is gonna give you a lot of smoke. Holy smokes, is that a lot of smoke. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.